Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the pan-fried tilapia in tomato sauce. Let's look at the ingredients first. You may refer to the description for a complete list of ingredients and instructions. I normally buy frozen tilapia which is already dressed. But sometimes you may need to do a bit of descaling, so wash it and wipe dry. The inside must be completely clean. Use a sharp knife to score both sides. Make a few cuts, but not too deep. Rub the fish with salt and white pepper. Remember to rub the tummy as well. Add some ginger slices, green onions, and wine. Rub them evenly on the inside out of fish. Marinate for half an hour. Let's prepare the ingredients for the tomato sauce now. We will cut the tomatoes in both bigger and smaller pieces. So after cooking, the smaller pieces would melt into the sauce. The bigger ones will become biteable sized pieces. Heat up the pan first, then add 2 tablespoons of oil. Remove the ginger and green onions and wipe dry the fish. Lower the fish onto the pan carefully and pan-fry the fish at high heat for 2 minutes. Do not move the fish. Pan-fry the same side for 3 minutes at medium heat. Flip the fish carefully and do the same on the other side. Remove the fish. The fish should be 90% cooked now. Heat up 1 tablespoon oil in the pan. At medium heat, saute onions until fragrant. Add shallots and garlic, then continue to stir fry at medium heat. Add wine, tomatoes, ketchup, soy sauce, and water. Keep stir frying, then add Perrin and sugar. Cover and cook sauce for 5 minutes. Mix half teaspoon cornstarch with 1 teaspoon water. Add it into the sauce. Cook sauce until it's a bit thicker. Place the fish into the sauce and cook for a couple minutes. Scoop out the fish first, then pour the sauce on top. Garnish with green onion strips. Tilapia is ready to serve, Enjoy!